The Phase 2 alignment needs final clearance before the next shift.
Acknowledged. The schematics are updated in the main display.
Are the servos holding synchronization during the weld sequence?
Yes, Colonel. The diagnostic panel shows green across the board. Check the tolerances on the main spar welding sequence.
Status is green. Green across the board, sir.
The trajectory looks nominal. Check the tolerances on the readout.
Adjusting now. The thermal signature is stable.
Phase 1 complete. All systems registering nominal parameters.
Copy that. Moving to automated alignment.
All systems green. Proceed with Phase 2 alignment.
Acknowledged. Calibrating robotic arm 4.
Power levels stabilizing across the main conduits. Looking good.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with the welding sequence on the fuselage.
Ensure alignment on the leading edge assembly.
Holographic schematic indicates green status across the board.
Confirming alignment on panel 4.
Copy that. Proceeding with the next sequence.
Maintain the delta formation on the starboard line.
Confirmed. Adjusting robotic arm synchronization.
Adjust the flow rate on the starboard assembly line.
Confirmed. Rerouting supplies to Sector 4 Gamma.
Check the thermal loading on section 7. It's running hotter than expected.
Confirmed. Adjusting the feed rate now.
The power output on Sector 4 is fluctuating slightly.
It's within tolerance. Monitor closely.
The power output on the starboard laser is fluctuating by 0.05%.
Acknowledged. It's within tolerance, but monitor closely. Look at the deviation right here at the leading edge. Okay.
It's within tolerance, but barely. The uniformity is good otherwise.
As you can see, the microscopic structure is consistent with the design specs.
Agreed. The absorption rate should be optimal.
we need to verify the alignment here before the next phase.
I agree. Let's double check the tolerance levels.
Grid alignment locked. Status green.
Confirmed.
Alignment check successful on port wing. Moving to next segment.
Confirmed, Master Sergeant. All systems reading green.
Starboard symmetry is within tolerance.
Confirmed. The laser scan aligns with the schematic.
The scan shows perfect symmetry across the primary axis.
Good. Let's retract the scanners. Check the starboard alignment again. We're showing a deviation at the midpoint.
Rerunning the scan. Looks stable now. Symmetrical within tolerance.
Check diagram 4B, make sure that connection is secure.
Roger that. Harness is secured and torqued. Good to go.
Run the diagnostic sequence now that the torque is set.
Sequence complete. We have full integration across all modules.
Lower at 5 centimeters. Copy that, lowering now.
Watch the starboard side clearance.
Hold position at bay 4, lower 5 inches, steady now. Confirm alignment green on all points.
Watch the starboard coupling.
I have it centered.
Proceed with the locking sequence.
All systems indicate green. Power core stabilization complete.
Excellent. The phase array is fully calibrated.
We have a confirmed green status on the auxiliary power flow.
Data links are nominal. Proceeding with Phase 2 diagnostics. Running system check on the starboard conduit.
Fluctuating slightly during the surge. It's stabilized now. Looking good, Commander.
Initiating power flow diagnostics. Simulating a surge.
Levels stabilizing. All systems report green, Captain.
Look at the fluctuation here on the starboard side. That's within tolerance, but let's rerun the sequence on the trailing edge just to be sure.
Anomaly detected on the port stabilizer, sir. Readings look consistent with the baseline.
Confirmed. Continue scan.
Scan on section Charlie 9er is complete.
Acknowledged. Data looks nominal. Proceed to the next sequence.
Are the fuselage panels cleared for final coating?
Yes, all tolerances are within specification.
The data confirms it. We are ready to sign off on section Gamma 7.
Final inspection complete. The assembly meets all specifications.
Thank you, Colonel. We'll proceed with the rollout schedule.
We did it!
Yeah, great work, team.
We finally got the validation!
Yes, great job, everyone.
We did it!
Yes, it worked! All right!
We finally did it. Great work, team.
Look at that, successful validation!
I knew we could do it. Well done, team.